It's a beautiful, beautiful morning, and it's so cold. Wow, look at that. So beautiful. Oh my god, the color. Wow. Hi guys, it's winter time again, and Christmas is just few days away. Time like this reminds me of home back in the Philippines. The foods that we always have during Christmas, the preparations, and the activities that we usually do with the family. Growing up in an island, I still vividly remember our Christmas traditions and celebrations, which evolved mostly in the church. Among the many traditional sweets that we have, one of the most common is the steamed rice cake. We call it in our dialect Putong Bugas. Bugas means rice. Back in the days, Putong Bugas was normally prepared with white rice from our rice fields. The rice will be soaked in fresh coconut milk overnight and then will be grinded using a stone rice grinder. Coconut wine, as we call it tuba in our dialect, will then be added to the mixture, which serves as baking powder, and finally the sugar and salt. Because we had so many banana plants around, we used the banana leaves to put on top of the molds for added flavor or smell. But here in Germany, I don't have the luxury of having all these ingredients, so I just have to settle with what's available. So here I have rice flour, which is available in the Asian store, canned coconut milk, which is now actually available in almost all of the supermarkets here in Germany, baking powder. Actually, this particular baking powder is from the Philippines, and I haven't seen this in any of the Asian shops in Germany. And lastly, the frozen banana leaves. Two more ingredients, sugar and salt, of course. So we'll start preparing the banana leaves. Cut them into smaller sizes, then dip them into a hot water bath until they soften and become pliable. Then cut into shapes to fit the molds. Now let's add the coconut milk into the rice flour. Then add the sugar gradually. Add the baking powder, and lastly the salt. Mix well until the mixture is smooth. Fill up the molds about 2/3 full. For these plastic molds, I just brush them with oil just to make sure that the puto will not stick. Fill the molds about 2/3 full. Now let's prepare the steamer. Steam for about 15 minutes. They should be done. And there they are ready now. As you can see here, I got two different results. The ones in the banana leaves, they really opened well, but the ones in the plastic molds didn't. I guess it was because when I put the plastic molds into the steamer was not that hot. Nevertheless, they taste the same, and that's for sure. And now, craving satisfied.